Hi, everyone! Today we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's modern round outdoor post lighting. The package includes one accessory kit to screw sleeves and 2 mounting screws. A modern round outdoor post light. First, remove the 2 mounting screws from the base of the product and set them aside safely. Next, remove the metal mounting plate from the base of the product. Place the metal mounting plate where you plan to install the product. Mark the position and drill the holes. Insert the mounting screw set from the accessory kit into the holes. Align the metal mounting plate with the screw sleeves and place it in position. From the hardware kit into the screw sleeves. Connect the 2 push-and-quick connect terminals you have, provided to your power cord. Then connect the power cord from the product base to the push-on. Quick connect terminals you have provided. Align the 2 holes at the bottom of the product with the ends of the mounting plate. Then place it on top. Reinstall the 2 mounting screws at the bottom of. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.